What's up, guys? My name is Colten Rodrigue, and I am the co-founder of Elefante RevOps. In this video, we're diving into one of the most powerful frameworks for growing your business, the bow tie model. This isn't your typical marketing funnel. It helps you attract, retain, and grow relationships for long-term success. The traditional funnel is simple: awareness, interest, decision, purchase. Then it stops. The bow tie model, it's different. On the left side, you have acquisition, awareness, education, selection, commit. The knot in the middle is the mutual commitment of the customer. The right side, that's where the magic happens. Onboarding, retention, expansion, with an emphasis on delivering recurring impact to the customer. Unlike traditional funnels, the bow tie model focuses on the entire customer journey, not just the sale. Keeping existing customers is much cheaper than acquiring new ones, 5 to 25 times cheaper. And just 5% increase in retention can boost profits by over 25%. The benefits: higher retention, increased customer lifetime value, more cost-effective growth, and turning customers into a brand advocates. So how do you actually put the bow tie model into action? It's not just theory. There are clear steps you can take to make it work for your business. Here's a roadmap to get started and make sure each stage of the customer journey is covered. Assess your retention efforts, collect comprehensive customer data, foster collaboration across teams, customize strategies for each stage, differentiate your brand. Once you set up these strategies, the next step is to measure how well they're working. Tracking the right metrics ensures you know what's effective and where you can improve. Track KPIs like customer lifetime value, churn rate, and repeat purchases. Analyze the data and refine your strategies to keep improving. And that's the bow tie model, a smarter, holistic way to handle the customer journey. Instead of just chasing new buyers, you're building long-term relationships and recurring revenue. Book a free strategy call with us at Elefante RevOps and start building the revenue engine your business deserves. The button to book a call is at the top right of our site. We'll see you there, and remember, keep doing it big. My name's Colten Rodrigue. Bye for now.